It was raining hard in Chicago that night. The kind of cold that seeped into your bones. Jack Turner, a single dad working 2 jobs, stood outside the upscale restaurant with his 6-year-old daughter, Lily, wrapped in his worn-out coat. Her pink sneakers were soaked, and her tiny hands clutched his as they waited under the neon glow of the awning. Inside, warmth, laughter, and the scent of garlic bread filled the air. Jack had saved for weeks, quarters, crumpled bills, extra shifts at the auto shop, just to take Lily out for her birthday. She loved pasta, and he'd promised her something special this year. He didn't care that the restaurant was fancy. He wanted her to feel like every other kid for one night. But when they finally stepped in, dripping and smiling, everything unraveled. The hostess glanced at Jack's frayed jeans, the duct tape on his sneakers, and Lily's soggy coat. Her expression turned sharp. "Sorry, sir. We have a dress code here. I just want to get a small table for my daughter. It's her birthday." She didn't budge. "You'll have to leave." Lily looked up at her dad, confused. Jack swallowed the lump in his throat, forced a smile, and took her hand again. "Come on, sweetie. We'll find another place." They stepped out into the rain. Jack held Lily close, trying to keep her warm, but his heart was breaking. Not because of the rejection, but because he knew Lily felt it too. And that's when it happened. A man in a black cashmere coat had just stepped out of a sleek Bentley parked at the curb. He'd seen everything, the rejection, the look on Lily's face, the pain Jack was trying so hard to hide. He stepped inside the restaurant with quiet authority, pulled out a black card, and called over the hostess. "Sir, we're fully booked tonight." "Not anymore," the man said. "I'm buying the entire restaurant for the evening." She blinked. "Excuse me?" "You heard me. Every table. Every dish. Every glass of wine. But only one guest matters to me tonight." He walked back outside into the rain, right up to Jack. "Excuse me," he said. "Would you and your daughter do me the honor of joining me for dinner?" Jack stared, confused. We don't have money for that." "I know," the man said, kneeling to meet Lily's eyes. "But I missed a lot of birthdays with my daughter when she was your age. She's all grown up now, and I can't go back in time. Tonight I'd like to give someone else the moment I lost." Jack hesitated, then nodded slowly. "Thank you, but why us?" The man smiled gently. "Because the way you protected her heart tonight, that matters more than any suit or reservation." Inside the restaurant, the mood had shifted. The billionaire, Thomas Grayson, one of Chicago's most powerful real estate moguls, didn't just treat them to dinner. He sat with them, laughed with Lily, and talked to Jack like an old friend. At the end of the meal, Thomas handed Jack a business card. "You work at..." It was cold, gray, and wet, the kind of January evening that made even the strongest hearts feel heavy. Jacob had just clocked out from a long shift at the warehouse, his back aching and mind full of numbers, groceries, rent, the water bill. But his main priority sat buckled into the back seat, swinging his little legs and grinning like life was perfect. Max, his 6-year-old, was talking nonstop about dinosaurs and asking, as he did every Friday, "Can we get pepperoni and those cheesy sticks too, Dad? Please?" Jacob gave a tired smile. "You think I'd forget pizza night?" He parked outside a small strip mall, just a takeout joint, a dollar store, and a laundromat glowing in flickering neon. As they walked up, Max holding his hand, Jacob saw her. She was sitting by the trash bin near the laundromat wall. Soaked hoodie. Shaking. Her hands clutched a damp paper bag like it held her last hope. Her face was young, too young. And beneath the hood were hollow eyes that didn't ask for pity. A man walked by, tossing coins into a vending machine. She whispered something to him, and Jacob caught it as he passed. "I'm too weak to beg." He stopped. So did Max. Jacob turned around and knelt beside her. "What did you just say?"